Hi, it's Finn from Webbers and Fine & Country, and welcome to Higher East Ford Farm, a select development of executive bungalows set within the popular North Devon hamlet of Ash Mill. We really feel that if you're looking for a modern detached bungalow in a countryside location, these bungalows could be just the ticket for you. So without further ado, let's go on inside and take a look, shall we? As you'll see throughout this video, the accommodation is absolutely stunning. In this room, the open plan living kitchen diner, you've got bifold doors, vaulted ceilings giving a great feeling of space, and the kitchen is presented to the highest of standards. A real joy to behold. Thank you for watching our video tour. As you can see, this is a fine example of contemporary countryside living. And if you'd like to arrange a viewing, just give us a call. As always, our number is 01769 573 181, and we look forward to speaking to you very soon.